Hello students, I am Professor Shiv Kakade. As you know me, I am working as lecturer in Computer Engineering Department, CSMSS College of Polytechnic. Congratulations to all of you for coming in third year of Computer Engineering Department. So today we will see syllabus and teaching scheme of your 5th semester. This is the teaching scheme of your 5th semester. So you have first environmental studies, operating system, advanced Java programming, software testing. These are compulsory subjects, and you have some elective subjects, that's CSS, ACN, ADBMS, and one of the industrial training and capstone project planning. So from these three subjects, CSS, ACN and ADBMS, you can select any one of these. So I am going to study or I am going to teach software testing subject. So we'll see what is the structure of software testing subject. Syllabus of software testing subject is open here. We'll see one by one. As you know, anything developed should be tested first and then delivered to the customer. So this subject is also very important. Rational competency. C competency of this subject is applied types, levels and methods of software testing on any application you have developed. Course outcomes are given. First course outcome, apply various software testing methods. Second, prepare test case for different types and levels of testing. Prepare test plan for an application. Fourth is identify works to create defect report of given application. And last, fifth is test software for performance measure using automated testing tool. So after studying this subject, you will be able to apply these COs in your future experience. Teaching scheme for examination. How many marks and what is the PA or practical marks, theory marks, we'll look into them. So theory PA is given here. End semester exam means final theory exam is of 70 marks. You have to got one minimum 28 marks. Theory PA is of 30 marks. There is no minimum marking scheme, but if you got 0 marks here in theory PA, you should get 40 marks in ESE, end semester examination. So this is relatively correlated. If you got 12 marks here, then you can get ESE 28 marks. So total 70 plus 30, 100 out of 40 should be there, and total 100 minimum should be 40. Here is given. Practical ESE is of 20 marks, 25 marks. Minimum is 10. ESE means practical ESE, not theory. And practical PA, progressive assessment, is of 25 marks. Minimum should be 10. Total practical marks are 50, minimum 20. You can look at this by downloading syllabus from MSBT. Course map is given. Practical are given. I'm just highlighting you main points. There are 5 topics you are going to see under theory: basics of software testing and testing methods, then types and levels of testing, unit 3 test management, unit 4 defect management, unit 5 testing tools and measurements. Marking scheme is also given. Unit wise marking scheme is there. So every unit is divided in remember level, understand level and application level, as you see here. And this remember level, understand level, application level. First unit carries 14 marks total. Second unit carries 18 marks. Third unit carries 14 marks, and last unit carries 12 marks each. Total 70 marks. This is the introduction of your syllabus. Thank you.